Welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to send Slack channel messages automatically on getting your SignWell documents completed. Guys, SignWell is an awesome tool for electronically signing and sending your documents, and it can be integrated with Slack to improve your team's communication. So by integrating SignWell with Slack, you can easily notify your team whenever your SignWell documents get signed without having to manually send the messages and checking for updates. So this is a perfect automation if you're looking for optimizing your document workflows and improving your team's communication. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding. So let's begin. To set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And you can find this link of this landing page in the description, and from here you can sign up for free, and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So sign up right now from the given link and follow me through the video and set up your first automation. So guys, after signing up, you just have to sign in and select Pabbly Connect product, and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow, and after that click on create and your workflow page will load up. So here I've provided this name. After giving the name, click on create and you can see the workflow page is loading up, and here you will find the basic building blocks of our workflow, which are the trigger and the action. Okay, so trigger is going to start this workflow and the action would be an automated action or a consequence of the trigger. Here guys, in the trigger you have to select an application in which a trigger event is going to occur. In our use case, getting a document completed or signed is going to trigger this workflow. So SignWell will be the trigger application. So you have to search for SignWell here. Okay. Then you have to select the trigger event as event capture. So this is going to capture the data related to signature requests that are sent or signed from this account will be captured here. This means when you connect here by clicking on connect, from here select add new connection to make this connection, and here it will ask for the API key of SignWell and the domain address. So you will get the API key from the top right corner. You can read in the instructions. Let me show you directly in SignWell. This is SignWell account, and here you will find the settings option on the top right corner. Click on settings. Under settings page you will find this API option on the bottom left hand side, and here you can generate a API key. I have already generated it. You just have to copy it and paste it here in this field like this. Okay. For the domain, you just have to open your account, and from the top search bar you will get the domain. So you just have to copy the domain address till.com. Okay, and just copy it, paste it here, and remove the ending slash as well. Okay, just like the example, and then click on save and you will be connected with SignWell. Okay, so you can read here the important note. This trigger is going to capture the data whenever you are going to send the document from SignWell, and whenever your client or the concerned person is going to open the document, and then when the person is going to sign or complete the document. So this trigger event is going to trigger the three instances: the sending of document, the viewing of document, and the signing of document. So here we want to capture the data when the concerned person signed the document or completes the document. Okay, so what we are going to do: first we are going to send the document via SignWell, then we are going to open it, and after that we are going to start capturing the data. So let's go back to the SignWell application and send the document. So guys, you can see from SignWell I have sent this document that I have created using a template. Okay, and the document has been received here on my client's email account. So I'm using a test account here. This is not an original one. Okay, and here my client actually I'm doing the client's work on client's behalf just for setting up this automation. Okay, so I am behaving as a sample or test client. So I have used one of my accounts just to set up this automation, and I have sent it to myself only, and I have opened it here like this. Okay, and I am going to complete this document also manually by myself just for setting up the automation. So after opening the document, now it is time to capture the data. So here now I am going to click on save and send test request button, and it will start showing this waiting for response. This means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now let me manually complete or sign the document and the data will be captured here. So this is the already open document I have. Here I'm going to click to start, and here I'm going to enter my signatures. So I'm going to draw it like this. Okay, and clicking on save, and you can see here is agree and finish option. Click on it, and you can see it started showing thanks for filling out your document. The document is now complete. So the document is completed. Let us see in our workflow if we got the data captured. And here you can see, guys, we got the data captured like this, and it started showing here the status as completed. Okay, and here is the subject of the document. Here you can see the client's details, their name and the email address, and all things are captured here related to the client and the document. Now guys, according to this important note, we are going to apply a filter in which we are going to apply a condition that whenever we receive the status here or the event here as completed, then only we want to send a message. We do not want to notify the team that we have signed the document. We do not want to notify the team that the client has opened the document. We just want to notify that the document is completed. That's why let's apply this condition here by using a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called filter. So in this action step, choose filter, and here it is asking to select the label. So here, according to the instructions, you can see we have this document signed event type here. Let me select this label here. So it is asking to select the label, select the filter type and put a value. So just click here and the previous step will appear in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find this event type label on the top. Just select it, make the filter type equals to, and in the value just copy this value, document sign. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, so this means whenever the event type shows you the document underscore signed value, then the workflow should be continued and the message will be sent. So just check this condition by clicking on save and send test request button, and here you can see the condition is true showing up in the message. Now when the condition is true, we want to send a message to my team. For that, just click here on this plus icon, and from this another action step, connect with Slack. Okay, then select the action event as send channel message, then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Slack. Here it will ask for the token type. So for connecting with Slack, we have two kind of token types. One is user, other is bot, and for each of the token types we have different kind of access permissions inside Slack. So if you want to know about the tokens permissions, just click on this here word written in blue and you will reach our forum page. Here you will find about the tokens and the permissions related to the tokens. So when you use user, you will get these permissions. When you use bot, you will get these permissions. So right now I'm going to use user only. Okay, and here I'm clicking on save, and it will bring me to this window. Okay, as I have already logged in Slack, it is just asking me to select the space. So I'm selecting this space. Okay, and then you have to provide these accesses to your Slack channel. Click on allow, and you will be connected in a few moments like this. And then it will ask to select your channel. So my channel's name is this Pabbly team. Okay, so I'm going to select the channel's name, Pabbly team. Okay, here it is asking to enter a message that you want to send. So let me type a standard message here. So guys, I have written a small message here for my team. Hello team, our client Dash has just signed our SignWell document. The details are as follows: document name, client's name, email. So here I am going to map these information from the previous trigger that we have here. Here we have received the documents and the client's details. So I'm going to map the labels here inside this message. So after this client, I'm just going to put my cursor and the previous steps will appear here in the drop down, and when you click on it you will find the data right here. So I'm going to map the signer's name like this, okay, and here I'm going to map the document's name as well. This is the document subject, okay, you can map it. Then you can map the client's name again and the client's email address, okay. Now this message will be sent to our team, and guys, when you map the labels like this, what will happen in real time, whenever your real client is going to sign your document, the labels here are going to be updated automatically, and new message with the fresh data will be sent to your channel automatically, okay. Now to test your connection with your Slack channel, you can click on save and send test request button here, and this message will be sent to this channel here we have, okay. So we have all these fields also. You can use it if you want for sending images or boards, okay, and links, okay. So you can use those options. Right now I'm just sending plain message, so I'm going to just click on save and send test request button, and let's see if we receive a new message. Okay, so this is the response we got. Let's check the channel. And here you can see, guys, we got a new message. It is showing our client, test client has just signed our SignWell document. The details are these. These are the same details and the same message that I have entered here, you can see. Alright, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it is going to work automatically whenever your people are going to sign your documents. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect #pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.